Hey guys, it's Sean and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a tour of my Rutgers apartment. Let's get to the video. Alright, so when you enter this apartment, you will see a hallway that has 4 rooms. First, let's go to the living room. So yeah, basically living room, really common area, you could say. A couch and a singles chair or sofa, you could call it. And they're just pretty simple. I mean, I don't really stare too much, except if I want to just watch some videos or something like that, or watch a movie on my computer. But other than that, I'm not really here too much. But the good thing is, this view is actually pretty solid. Very, very solid view. Alright, so on this side you have 2 rooms and a bathroom, which no one lives because due to the pandemic and stuff, so usually only 2 people live in an apartment. But since my roommate withdrew for the semester, I'm actually the only person who's living here. But yeah, only 2 rooms on this side and a bathroom. Alright, so in the kitchen area I just have my drying rack here and a napkin, just make sure things are dry and stuff. And then obviously a sink and a detergent for washing plates. And I just have some kitchen stuff here. And the nice thing about this is that they actually give us a pretty good oven, definitely better oven I had in sophomore year, and then a microwave, which is also really good, also pretty new as well. So let's start with this compartment up here. Honestly, I just have a cup that I still haven't used yet. I mean, I just mostly drink water, but maybe down the line I'll probably have juice or something like that, so maybe soon I might use that cup. But for now, I haven't really used that cup at all yet. And in this compartment I just have some fruits, seasonings, olive oil, bread, just the usual stuff. And then in here I usually have plates, but all my plates are actually over there, so yeah, I don't have anything here. And then here I have a baking sheet, some aluminum foil, some pots, extra sponges, and a medium-sized bowl. And then this fridge has a freezer and a refrigerator in this, so basically my fridge has a lot of space. Usually, as I said again, 4 people will be here, and I feel like it will have more than enough space for 4 people. But yeah, just all my frozen stuff in there. Then the fridge, yeah, just all the stuff usually that goes in the fridge, I guess. And then in here I just have some food storage containers. I have a lot, especially since nicely enough my parents bring me some food sometimes, so yeah, I have a lot of food storage containers though. Actually, in the last thing here I just have some bags, really, usually from Renee or bags that I got from grocery shopping. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the kitchen area. Next up we have the pantry area, and on this side I just keep all my food stuff, and on the right side I keep a few other food stuff, and then also just napkins with disinfectant wipes and my detergent and fabric softener. Yes, I put it in an actual water bottle because it's so much easier to bring it from there than to bring the entire detergent and fabric softener. It's college hack actually, so if you guys don't want to bring your whole container of detergent fabric softener, highly recommend that. And here I just have my water, and I have my duffel bag and my suitcases in here. And I just more cleaning stuff. The entire container of the detergent fabric soft for them few sacks there. Alright, next is the bathroom. And I'm not gonna lie, this bathroom is really, really good. It's very, very good. Definitely the best bathroom I had in any apartment or dorm I lived in. Just a simple shower, some racks to put your towels, and basically from there I just have soap, napkins, and some shower stuff, slash skin stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Simple bathroom, but very effective. Alright, so last we have my room, and we're gonna start off from here, where I just have my deodorant, some personal care stuff, and cologne, and hair products again, and yeah, and then my COVID test kit. And then down here we just have our vitamins and medications in case I get sick. And then this container just miscellaneous stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Miscellaneous stuff. Actually down here we actually have my shoes. I decided to put my shoes down here so that doesn't take up too much of my room. So they're there, but just sometimes a hassle to get those out. But it's the most effective, so I'll take that. And then up in the wall we just have some posters slash just flags. Pretty nice. I hate looking at blank walls, so that's why I always try to get some posters and stuff like that. And here we have the bed, full-size bed, which is actually the only apartment that has a full-size bed at any workers apartment or dorm, so that's pretty good. And highly recommend getting a mattress topper. And this could be any apartment, but highly recommend it because usually college apartment dorm will not be as comfortable. You definitely want to make sure you get a mattress topper. And then again, very nice view of New Brunswick. Love to see it. Very, very good. And then over here we just have desk area where I do my work. It's not the best because it's actually away from the only light that's here. So actually, if you really want to, I would highly recommend getting like some string lights because the light is not the best here. But thank goodness I have a desk lamp, or else it would have been way worse. But yeah, just pencils, computer, laptop, planner, some paper, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And some tech stuff. And then here, my wardrobe, pretty big wardrobe. And here I just have my sweaters, sweatshirts, hoodies, t-shirts, and down here I have obviously my best stuff. And then the one concern about this actually is that you gotta make sure that your doors are actually fully open, because if they're not fully open, then this could scratch here, which looks like it happened to previous people. So you really want to make sure that these are fully open before they open. So that's probably the only downside. But yeah, and here I just have some shirts, and then there's actually two more wardrobes under my bed, which I have underwear, socks, pretty lot of space, so I'll take it. And then here I have my pants and shorts, for working out, and hopefully eventually when it's the spring. And then on top of there, I just have my Maxes and video stuff up there. And I honestly say one con in this room as well, besides the light, is there's really no AC circulation in these single rooms. So pretty much what I have to do, literally just pull up the window open, and yeah. But that's probably the only downside. But other than that, It's a really good apartment, and very very fortunate to be living here, because usually seniors live here in normal times, but I was very lucky enough as a junior to get this apartment, which I'm really really fortunate and very happy about that. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button and comment down below on what camp experience you had in pre-pandemic times. I'll see you guys next time, and take care.